Okay. So again, the car runs well, but it needs a carburetor adjustment. Starts without gas, and I don't have to pump anything. It's just so loud because the carburetor needs adjusted. Idling good. No smoke at all, like I mentioned. It needs a good paint job, that's it, basically. Okay. Odometer.